A wave of profound grief swept across Northern Tripura today as thousands gathered to pay their final respects to the late Speaker of the Tripura Legislative Assembly and MLA of Dharmanagar, Biswa Bandhu Sen. The veteran leader's last rites were performed with full state honours amidst a public massive gathering. On Sunday morning, the funeral procession began from his ancestral residence. The mortal remains were first taken to BJP district office where a somber atmosphere prevailed. The procession then moved through the main thoroughfares of Dharmanagar towards the crematorium as citizens lined the streets to catch a final glimpse of their beloved representative. At the district party office, a ceremonial tribute was held where several high-profile figures offered floral tributes. Senior BJP leaderships and representatives from various political parties set aside ideological differences to honor his legacy. Senior officials from the district administrations and police department paid their respects. The entire district observed a spontaneous sense of mourning as shops remained partially closed and black flags were seen in various localities as a mark of respect. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.